Here we go again.
Here we go again. So here we go again.
Here we go again, Dad.
Oh boy. Here we go again.
Here we go again. Clear!
Oh my God, here we go again. Get the lawyers.
Here we go again. Maggie, you've known me since the 7th grade, right?
Here we go again.
No, this time it's different.
Erroneous. Erroneous on both counts.
Oh, Lord, here we go again.
I think you're really, really great.
Oh, God. Here we go again.
My wife and I have taken tours for 20 years. This one, gotta be the worst.
Here we go again.
Here we go again. You know what your problem is? You're difficult.
Why? Because I'm honest.
Here we go again.
Here we go again. Why is everyone so concerned with us setting a date? Look, we're committed to each other. We're happy. A ceremony isn't going to change anything.
I would have done this myself, but I'm afraid of heights.
Oh, boy, here we go again.
Why don't you mind your own business? You can do it.
I need you to quit playing around.
Here
and
we
come
go
home.
again. When are you going to start taking what I do seriously?
Well, when you start acting seriously.
I'm sorry.
Poppy, if I can hear you, so can the Bergens.
Oh boy. Here we go again.
Oh, brunch.
You always ruin everything, warning us about the Bergens.
No, I don't.
Here we go again.